Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and those are new, welcome. Or today is a very special day after 5 years. Yes, I am going to Pakistan for vacation finally after 5 years. So today I'm gonna shoot my travel journey with you guys. So hope you guys like it. So मिलते हैं कुछ देर में. Guys, I want to say sorry first of all because last week I couldn't able to post my vlog, and this vlog is coming so late. The reason was that I got vaccine last week, and on Friday I think, and I got really sick. After that I got fever, and my hand was really paining, so I couldn't able to focus on the vlog. So hope you understand. Also hoping that you will like this vlog so much. So as you already noticed that this new airport, Brandenburg Airport, is really far away from the main city, and you have to take the special train which is like nominated for only going to airport, and in between there is no residence area. It's just like forest and all. You can see that. Little bit construction. I think that airport is not working fully at the moment as well. You can see the train is almost empty while I'm going there. Yay! Airport is here! Finally, I feel like I'm going to Pakistan. Yay! I'm so excited. The top part is for the first class passenger, the sitting area, and we are still in the train. The train is about to stop, and we are going out to board our luggage. I don't know why my hair is always like get messy in the air. By the way, this is the airport S-Bahn station, and let's go to do boarding first, and then I will show you the airport. It is total 4-story building, and including the S-Bahn station. So this is the front side of the airport. I came very earlier today because I didn't know that which place I have to go, and this is really big airport, really big. This is the front area. In this back on this side is a parking lot, and this is the hotel if somebody wants to quarantine or something for a time being. And I'll go inside and we'll shoot it. The airport is also really empty. I don't know why, but it's really empty. I was assuming that there were more people, but this entrance is totally empty. Many shops are still closed because they are not opening fully. I think the airport is still not open fully, and that's why the shops are still closed. But you can find actually very good coffee shops over there, like Starbucks and the Camps. And there is a grocery market as well called Rewe. And beside that, there is one more food shop. I forgot the name. You can have the pasta, or you can actually bring it from your home, because now you're coming from very far away. So might be you get hungry before getting the flight. I think now we are on the second floor, which is also very huge. Now I guess we are on the third floor, and this is the main boarding area where we have to boarding our luggage and our ticket and check in ourselves that we are here. There are several counters according to the flight, according to the airline names. So now after boarding my luggage, I was super hungry, and my friend as well. So we were trying to find something to eat, and in between that I was like shooting as well. Now we are going to see if there is something on the fourth floor for eating. There is a Starbucks shop you can see on the third floor. So I thought that there is a food court over there, but unfortunately there is just one Starbucks. Now we are still searching for the food because the Starbucks, it's we can't able to sit over there. They are fully crowded, and I really need to eat something. Actually, not me only. My friend also wanna eat something which actually fill our stomach so we can survive a little bit longer. And then we didn't found the food, but we found the golden cars. Here we are. I think these are for if you don't get your flight or your flight get cancelled, so you can actually sit on this tiles airplane and then you can fly to your destination. And there are lots of people who are tourists here. You can see that. There are lots of tourists also coming for the view this airport. Actually guys, I haven't noticed this. These are the coins actually on the floor. Wow. See? I think this is euro as well. Wow. So guys, this is the bus stop while you're coming out from the airport. So you probably get this place, and this is going to these stations. I think the bus will stop for 5 or 10 minutes here, and then you can have the bus for the next one. So probably I will recommend you to use the trains like DB Bahn or S Bahn, not the buses one, because buses routes are very long. So this is the top view of the airport, and there is one more floor. I don't know like if we can go. So guys, this was a prank. I am not going anywhere. I just came to have a like COVID test for my friend. I came for the COVID test for my friend. Actually, he is going to Stockholm like tomorrow or day after tomorrow, so he needs the COVID test. So now we are going home back. और मैंने सोचा, I thought that let's shoot the Berlin airport, and I really wanna see the airport because maybe in future I have to also travel. I'm not sure at the moment. और यहाँ पे हवा इतनी थी कि मेरे बाल पे ख़राब हो गए हैं, but अच्छा लग रहा है. Okay. So let's. This was the vlog for today, and I hope you liked it. So be happy, let the people happy. So do like, share and subscribe my channel, and hope we will see you soon, and hope you like today's video. So take care, be happy and let the people happy. Bye bye.